was outraged. He had to stand up and do something about it. I don't think he considered himself to be acting courageously. Had been raised in the schools to be taught that everyone was equal under law, and he believed in that. When the war broke out and he was told that he had to be in his home after 8 o'clock and none of his classmates had to be under the same restriction, he just intuitively knew that it was wrong. When we were kids, he had told us that he had been in prison, not because he did anything wrong, but because of the circumstances in the war. The impact of that action didn't really register with me, I don't think, until I was in my teens. And I was actually working in a summer resort in Colorado, and there was another employee at the summer resort where I was working from Texas who was a law student, and he came up to me and he said, "Are you related to Gordon Hirabayashi?" And I said, "Well, yeah, it's my father." And I was kind of surprised that some guy from Texas would know of my father. So I asked him, I said, "How do you know my father?" And he said, "Well, it's one of the most infamous Supreme Court cases in law history, and your father's case is studied because it's one of the few examples where law historians feel that the Supreme Court made a big mistake." That's when I realized how much impact he had on other people's lives and how important he was in the history of civil rights. My name is Hirabayashi, and I'm the son of Gordon Hirabayashi.